What is going on, guys? Today is the opening day of the second split. We are out here in the swamp. So hopefully the pressure is down on the birds and we're kind of in the same area. So hopefully the way they were patterning 2 weeks ago, if they stay the same, we should be on them like white on rice. So it's about 30-40 minutes to shooting light. When shooting light comes around, I'll see you on the dome. Single. Meh. 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 Meh.
Single coming in.
Smoked them. Hell yeah, brother.
On the board.
Ringer. Ringer. Oh, 3. Wait. Ooh, baby, he's straight like folded.
Yeah, he's out. He's still fucking moving around?
He's dead now. Well, guys, we had 3 birds down and the tax man came to collect. It freaking sucks. We watched this one teal. I thought it was still alive, so we shot at him a couple times, but it had to be an alligator pulling him into the bush. And I mean, now we had no birds. The tax man came to collect, I tell you what. But please like, follow, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do. I'll see you on the next one.